Hello, I am Bob, a farmer. This is my farm. Crops require a lot of care and effort to grow. Yay! I am going to have a great harvest this time. I can't wait for the harvesting season anymore. Oh my God! Pests in my farm. So many of them. I'll catch and kill all of these pesky pests and settle the matter once and for all. This pesticide should kill them all. I think a few of them flew away. Will it be a problem? It seems the insects that flew away spread to other nearby farms, causing even more destruction. They produced even more dangerous and chemically resistant generations, which came back to Bob's farm. My entire field is barren. The pests don't die even with lethal and toxic pesticides. I had to burn all my crops to stop the infestation. If this continues, I will go bankrupt this year. What should I do? Oh yes. I should call the Krisevaks. Their novel technology can help me out.